Welcome to our Cyber Monday 2025 roundup of the best robot vacuum and mop deals. Today, we're breaking down everything from ultra-affordable smart cleaners to the most advanced AI-powered robots that vacuum, mop, self-empty, auto-wash pads, and map your home with insane precision. Whether you need a simple, everyday helper or a full-blown floor-cleaning beast, Cyber Monday has massive discounts across the board. Let's dive into the top deals you shouldn't miss.
Starting strong with a great budget pick, the Dream L10S Ultra. This robot is perfect if you want a hands-free cleaning experience without spending top dollar. It comes with a sleek all-in-one docking station that handles nearly everything for you. It empties its dustbin into a sealed bag that holds up to 60 days of dirt, so you don't have to constantly check it. It also washes and dries its mop pads automatically, preventing odors and saving you from messy maintenance. In real-world tests, the L10S Ultra delivered solid performance, vacuuming up 80% of Cheerios and 95% of kitty litter on hardwood floors. Its dual rotary mops, which spin at 180 RPM under firm pressure, were also effective at tackling stains. While its overall debris removal was rated as excellent at 98.4% across all floor types, some nuanced observations emerged from testing. For instance, its pet hair pickup was described as good but not amazing. Additionally, its navigation, powered by an advanced AI action system with an RGB camera and 3D structured light, sometimes exhibited puzzling route planning, such as cleaning parts of a room in a bizarre order or struggling with edge cleaning. This demonstrates that while the technology is powerful, the user experience can still have minor imperfections. Next on the list is the Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20. A model that proves that a vacuum's value is not solely measured by its power, but also by its practical design. With the price hovering around $699.99, the C20 delivers a powerful cleaning experience in a uniquely compact form factor. Its ultra-slim 3.35-inch body allows it to reach tight spaces like under desks and beds, a tangible benefit that directly addresses a common frustration with bulkier models. This focus on form factor illustrates a key design philosophy. A vacuum that can clean areas others can't is a more valuable tool for many consumers. On the technical front, the C20 boasts a formidable 7,000 pascals of suction, a clear step up from many competitors in its price range.
This power, combined with its dual spinning mobs that rotate at 180 RPM and apply 6 newtons of force of pressure, enables it to deliver a much deeper clean than vacuums that simply drag a mop pad.
For pet owners, the C20 features a Pro Detangle comb on its main brush, which actively removes tangled hair and reduces maintenance time, a highly practical feature. While some reviewers noted that its battery life was shorter compared to other brands, leading to a need for mid-cycle recharging, the C20's higher suction and superior mopping provided a more comprehensive clean overall. Its all-in-one station automates key maintenance tasks, including auto-emptying, mop washing, and drying with room temperature air. The Roborock Q-Revo S5V represents the sweet spot for most users, offering a significant jump in performance and innovation at a price point that makes it a highly compelling option. While its MSRP is $899.99, it is often found on sale for a more accessible $629.99. This model is the perfect entry into the world of true flagship performance, primarily due to its astounding 12,000 pascals of hyperforce suction power. This level of suction is more than sufficient for the vast majority of households, excelling at picking up day-to-day debris and even more deeply embedded dirt from hard floors and low-pile carpets. Beyond raw power, the Q-Revo S5V introduces a critical innovation that solves a long-standing problem for round robot vacuums: corner and edge cleaning. Its FlexiArm edge mopping feature, an intelligent and extendable design, automatically reaches into concave corners and around furniture legs to ensure a thorough clean in hard-to-reach areas. This is a simple but brilliant mechanical solution that directly improves cleaning coverage. The Q-Revo S5V also boasts a triple anti-tangle system that delivers a certified 100% hair removal rate with a 0% tangling rate, a major benefit for pet owners. The vacuum is equipped with an all-in-one station that automates key maintenance tasks, including auto-emptying, mop washing, and drying with room temperature air, although it requires manual addition of a cleaning solution, which is a minor trade-off that helps justify its lower price compared to true flagships. Its navigation is powered by precision LiDAR and reactive tech obstacle avoidance, ensuring efficient path planning and obstacle detection.
As always, you can find all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video right in the description and in the pinned comment down below. The Roborock Saros 10R is a paradox of design innovation and practical performance, a vacuum that challenges the traditional form factor of its competitors.
Its most striking feature is its ultra-thin 3.14-inch design without a raised LiDAR puck, which allows it to clean under low-profile furniture that other vacuums would simply bypass. This ultra-thin design directly solves a real-world problem, allowing the vacuum to reach areas others cannot, a physical benefit that directly addresses the limitations of bulkier models. However, the pursuit of this sleek design appears to come with a trade-off in core vacuuming power. While Roborock labels its suction as industry-leading hyperforce suction, a third-party lab test found a starkly lower suction rating of just 0.58 kilopascals, in contrast to the Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni's 2.76 kilopascals. This presents a crucial dichotomy for the consumer. Unparalleled mobility and a brilliant design may compromise the fundamental cleaning capability. The Saros R10R also features the FlexiArm Riser side brush and mop, which extends to clean edges and corners, and has an innovative auto mop detaching function that allows the robot to leave its mops at the dock to avoid wetting carpets. Its 10-in-1 multifunctional dock 4.0 provides a comprehensive set of automated features, including 176 degrees hot water mop washing and fast charging in just 2.5 hours. Its navigation is powered by precision LiDAR and reactive tech obstacle avoidance. The Dream X50 Ultra is a spec sheet king, boasting an impressive set of features designed to make it a top contender in the flagship category. Priced at approximately $1,199.99, it commands attention with a staggering 20,000 pascals of Vormax suction, the highest number on this list. This raw power is designed to pick up all types of debris from fine dust to large particles on hard floors and carpets. However, a review from Vacuum Wars points out that despite the official high number, the actual suction and airflow at the intake were only average compared to other models. This suggests that the new dual brush design, while excellent for hair, may have a larger opening that dilutes the overall vacuum force. The Dream X50 Ultra's new dual brush system is a standout feature for pet owners, effectively channeling long hair to prevent tangles, and earning a 10 out of 10 rating from a family with long-haired pets. The vacuum also features an extendable side brush and mop, a retractable LiDAR sensor for low-clearance navigation, and an obstacle avoidance system trained to recognize over 200 objects. While the obstacle avoidance scored a very good 20 out of 24 in controlled evaluations, some users reported real-world issues with the vacuum acting erratically or getting stuck around furniture, indicating that impressive specs don't always translate to flawless performance in complex environments. The Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni distinguishes itself by specializing in mopping, offering an innovative roller system that rethinks how wet cleaning is performed. Priced at approximately $1,299.99, it combines a unique mop design with a powerful vacuum system. The X9 Pro Omni utilizes a roller mop that looks and functions like a paint roller, and a reviewer expressed a preference for this design over the standard mop pads, noting its effectiveness in preventing cross-contamination and leaving fewer streaks. This specialized design is a key reason why it was awarded Best Mop and Best for Hard Floors in mid-year reviews. The vacuum also uses a triple lift system that automatically lifts its mop, side brush, and main brush to adapt to different floor types, ensuring carpets remain dry. While the vacuuming performance is also robust, with a suction power of 16,600 pascals. The X9 Pro Omni earned an impressive 89% in a carpet deep clean test, one of the highest scores ever recorded for a vacuum with a lifting mop. Despite these strong points, the specialized design can introduce new weaknesses. A reviewer noted that the X9 Pro Omni struggled with thresholds and was easily clogged by medium or large debris, leading to frequent distress calls. This is a critical trade-off to consider. While you gain exceptional mopping, you may lose some of the general-purpose vacuuming reliability. The Mova V50 Ultra Complete is a cleaning powerhouse, defined by a no-compromise approach to raw power and physical mobility. Its most prominent feature is an unprecedented 24,000 pascals of suction, the highest on the market. This immense power is not just a marketing number. A review notes its effectiveness at picking up deeply embedded debris from high-pile carpets. The V50 Ultra Complete also addresses a major real-world limitation of robot vacuums with its innovative Stepmaster system, which uses retractable legs to enable the robot to climb over thresholds and even the bases of bar stools. This combination of raw power and physical prowess creates a device that can conquer a wide range of cleaning challenges without getting stuck. In addition to its raw strength, the V50 Ultra Complete features a comprehensive suite of automated functions. Its AI Smart Sight system can recognize over 200 common household items, and the dock provides a truly hands-free experience by washing the mops with warm water and even drying the dustbin and dust bag to prevent odors. While the Stepmaster system is a game-changer, one user reported a minor rattling noise on hardwood after the first use, suggesting that even brilliant first-generation hardware can have minor kinks that are smoothed out in later versions. The Dream L50 Ultra is a formidable contender that offers a seamless blend of power and robust physical automation. With a sale price around $1,999.99 and an MSRP of $1,599.99, the L50 Ultra is a premium device built for reliability in complex homes. It features a powerful 19,500 pascals of Vormax suction and an innovative ProLeap retractable leg system that can step over obstacles up to 2.36 inches. This physical feature is a direct, practical solution for homes with door tracks, step-downs, or thick thresholds, significantly reducing the number of "help me" moments and enhancing the vacuum's overall autonomy. The L50 Ultra's automation extends to its mopping system, which uses 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water to wash its mop pads, and even has a reactive mop washing feature that uses a color sensor to assess the dirty water and re-wash the mops if needed. The dock is also highly advanced, featuring a 3.2-liter dust bag that allows for up to 100 days of hands-free cleaning. The L50 Ultra is a master of balance, combining a high-end suction number with practical, proven hardware that directly addresses real-world consumer pain points. Its ability to automatically remove its mops for cleaning long-pile carpets further solidifies its position as a device that can handle a truly diverse range of floor types. The Roborock Saros Z70 is the most innovative robot vacuum of the year, a device that feels more like a glimpse into science fiction than a practical household appliance. With an astronomical price of $2,599, the Z70's defining feature is its groundbreaking OmniGrip mechanical arm, a 5-axis arm that autonomously extends to pick up and move small obstacles out of its cleaning path. The vacuum also has a massive 22,000 pascal suction and a slim 3.14-inch design without a LiDAR puck. While the OmniGrip arm is a fascinating feature with potential for those with mobility issues or highly cluttered homes, it is a first-generation technology that is not yet mature. Testing reveals that the arm is hit or miss, successfully picking up objects only 50 to 70% of the time and only on a limited library of items like slide-style slippers. The pursuit of this novelty feature also appears to have compromised the vacuum's core performance. Despite the high suction rating, the Z70 had underwhelming carpet performance, ranking 114th in a deep carpet cleaning test and scoring below average on pet hair. Furthermore, the space taken by the mechanical arm resulted in the smallest dustbin on the market at just 180 milliliters. While it is a fascinating look into the future, the Saros Z70 is a poor value proposition for anyone prioritizing pure cleaning performance over a novel but flawed feature. For the budget-conscious buyer, the Dream L10S Ultra offers the best value. It provides a near-flagship hands-free experience for a fraction of the cost. For the apartment dweller, the Eufy Omni C20 is the perfect fit. Its ultra-slim design allows it to access areas under low furniture, solving a specific and common pain point. For the all-around performer, the Roborock Q Revo S5V is the clear winner. It delivers a staggering 12,000 Pascal suction and a revolutionary flexi-arm technology that directly solves the problem of corner cleaning, all at a compelling mid-tier price point. For the hard floor specialist, the Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni is the champion. Its unique roller mop design, which self-washes and extends to edges, makes it an unparalleled tool for hard floor mopping and vacuuming. For the power user, the Mova V50 Ultra Complete is the ultimate choice. With its unmatched 24,000 Pascal suction and retractable legs that conquer high thresholds, it is an unstoppable cleaning force for complex, multi-level homes. Its value lies in its uncompromising power and ability to conquer any physical challenge. For the user who values refined, unflinching automation and a more polished user experience, the Dream L50 Ultra takes the crown. It offers a near-max suction of 19,500 pascals while introducing a smarter, more reliable physical solution with its ProLeap retractable legs, ensuring a hands-off clean even over the most difficult thresholds and floor transitions. The L50 Ultra is the most well-rounded and dependable flagship, delivering on its promises without sacrificing a core cleaning function for a novelty feature.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget, you can find all the product links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.